The Shillong Law College Model United Nations is founded this year in the month of March.
Shillong Law College kala Plie Pyrda ke Model United Nation Conference ke baar sengi kenti ke belas dang mata ke sengi ke sautrik jemang da ke phang pedeng ke balong ban pediang ban pin ku bor ban pin wandur kalong sin ke ningkong ke Law College banda ni Model United Nation ya ke balas seng ningkong mata usnam hopna leber kum sibin ta pana jingkai ki khna hagi jing bin tebet habaide ke jinglong jingem ke baman ke sengi Hakate kesengi le shim benta lang sekretari sarkar jilla ba Cyril V Dingdo kum kongsan nalor kiwi kiwi. Yakni program pun kut pat lasai kesengi ka santre gujemang hakani ke jaka pule.
When I was a student of law, even I studied law, like many of you who are here at National Law School in Bangalore, I had the chance to participate in moot courts, in Model United Nations, in conferences, and that really, shaped me and helped me in my career ahead in terms of giving me the confidence to speak or to articulate my thoughts or to understand what is a viewpoint, how to use legal argument, how to use analysis to win an argument, how to do research from case law research to research from law books and articles, and then to present your viewpoint. So the fact that the MUN Club has been set up in Shillong Law College is a great achievement, I would say, primarily also because it is set up in a law college. As students of law, you will know that, you have to win an argument. Like your principal said, when you present a case before the magistrate, before the judge, in the high court or in the lower courts, you need to have done your homework in terms of the research. You need to have done your reading, you need to know which case law to cite, which article of the Constitution to cite, which section of the IPC to cite, and then only you can hope to win an argument for your client.
My name is Moran Thasaka, and I'm the Secretary General of the first Shillong Law College Model United Nations that is being conducted, that is just commenced today, the 4th of May 2023, and it will end by tomorrow, that is the 5th of May 2023. The Shillong Law College Model United Nations is founded this year in the month of March. We have a few members, we call it the Secretariat members, and then we are still in the process of recruiting more members. Model United Nations basically is a simulation of the United Nations, where delegates will role play as representatives of a particular country, and they will debate on particular agendas, which is of local and global relevance, and then which agendas which are concerning presently in various parts of the world. So that is what we basically do. So basically it is a simulation, it is an imitation of the United Nations. So it is purely an academic approach. The reaction, right now, this particular activity of Model United Nations is very new. It's a very new concept, especially in many parts of the Northeast. And however, and especially in particularly speaking about our college, as I've mentioned, we have just founded this Model UN this year only, and then many students are new to this concept, and many students are new to this activity. But however, the response is overwhelming also, and then we have been receiving, positive response from various, different institutes across Shillong and across Meghalaya also, and then where we are very much happy and we are very much inspired and confident also that this particular activity will bring about a huge help. This will greatly help the students.
Moreover, this will empower the students, the youth of Meghalaya, because now the nation all across the globe are facing various issues, and it concerns the youth also. So it's very much appreciated that the youth participate in solving the major crisis going all over the world. Thank you.
The delegates who have been participating will actually get an exposure to how to handle real life situations. The agendas that we put across are agendas that are global pressing issues. So having an active debate on that and learning about the rules of procedures of how Model United Nations works, I think that will help them enhance their soft skills greatly. And I hope that we continue having conferences again. And I hope that this conference is a success and students come up with great resolutions in the respective committees. So I think this initiative by our committee members has been a very thoughtful and a very excellent approach to help students, because it is very important right now that the students understand that we need to step forward. The youth need to understand that we need to step forward and put ourselves out there so that we can make a change in this world.